Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Jordan Ahli Bank cannot log in. For that, the first thing that you'll have to try and do is make sure that the credentials that you are entering along with your national ID number or your enrollment number are correct. And then the other thing that you must do is make sure that the credentials that you are entering while logging in are correct. If the issue still persists, try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. You can also head over to your recent apps, force close the app and reopen it on your device. If the issue still persists, simply head over to your quick settings and then head over to settings on your device, tap on apps, tap on all apps, head over to the search bar and then start typing in the name of the app, tap on the app, hit storage and cache, clear the cache of the app and try again. If the issue still persists, simply head over to Play Store on your device, search for the mobile banking app and update it to the latest version. If that does not work, head over to your app drawer, search for the app, long press on it, uninstall it on your device and reinstall it from the Play Store. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.